Hey guys, this is Norman over with SoundTraxx here, and today we're going to talk about this Broadway Limited SW7 that we just recently upgraded with the Tsunami 2 TSU-N18 and the JST-N18 adapter. So let's get started. So in front of me here today I have this Broadway Limited SW7. And this is an N-scale model which, as some of you may be aware, Broadway Limited recently did a rerun of. As some of you may be aware, I model Conrail, so I took the opportunity to pick up one of the N-scale Conrail ones, and we have it here today in front of us. So I decided to upgrade it to Tsunami 2, but I wasn't just going to leave it at that. I also decided to add a few more things to this model as well. So I've actually gone ahead and added an interior to the cab, as well as a cab light. Let's go over how I actually did this installation first. In this case, I actually decided to use our TSU-N18 decoder with the JST-N18 adapter. In this model, I decided to use that setup over something similarly sized like our TSU-1100 because in this model, there's a raised section where the motor sits, and I figured it was actually going to be easier to get the Next18 adapter in there and then allow the Next18 decoder itself to hover over the motor instead of trying to fit in a TSU-1100. Additionally, that got me some more lighting outputs, but in this case I didn't actually use all of them anyway, so it didn't matter. I also decided on the EMD2 variant of the TSU-N18 decoder because that way I would have the 12-cylinder version of the 567 that's appropriate for the EMD SW7 we have here. So now that we've got everything all fired up, let's go ahead and listen to a few of the sounds. So obviously, horn and bell. And now that we've got the bell running, it is worth noting that I am just using the factory-installed Broadway speaker in this installation. So let's go ahead and listen to the prime mover revving. And as you can hear, that prime mover sounds much better than the factory Broadway decoder. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video. Hope that gave you some ideas, some little tips and tricks you might use the next time you're looking to upgrade a Broadway SW7 to Tsunami 2. If you have any questions on how I did this install, you can go ahead and contact us at support@soundtraxx.com. Once you have yours installed, be sure to check out the user's guides at soundtraxx.com as well. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you get notified the next time we upload great content like this. Thanks for watching.